Hey guys, it's Steven with Cool Balloon Twisting, and in this video we're going to be making a witch's broom. Okay? Or you could just use this design for an everyday broom, but we're going to call it a witch's broom. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to need 3 balloons. We're going to need 2 yellows and a brown. Okay, so we're going to start with the yellows. We're going to actually attach these 2 together. Okay, and we're going to kind of make like the pumpkin. So we're going to actually make 2 pinch twists up here. Bring these down, and you're going to find however long you want your, like the brush of the broom to be, the bristles, and I'm going to do about that long. But just like the pumpkin, we're going to make a small pinch twist right here. That'll give us something to attach to. And bring this back up and twist it into those pinch twists. Do the same thing with this one. And then we're going to bring it back down. This one back down. Bring it back down. Push it into that pinch twist. And we're going to do it one more time and go back up. Twist it into those pinch twists. Bring these ones back up. And twist it into this pinch twist. Those 2 pinch twists on top. Okay, so we're done with our yellows. We can go ahead and get rid of the yellows. Wrap it around those pinch twists and tuck it inside. We have our broom. We're actually going to push one of those bubbles to the inside so that we have it looking like this. So it's going to be like 3 on the bottom and 4 on top. And then one went to the middle. Okay, we're going to take our pinch twist that we have at the bottom and push it up inside. Okay, now we're going to take our stick and we're going to just attach it to those 2 pinch twists on the top. And we're going to make a small bubble right there. Actually, we're going to go out about a 2-finger bubble. Bring it back, twist those in right there. So we're going to bring it back to the other side and do again 2 bubbles that are 2 fingers. Go a little bigger than that, right there. And twist those in together. So now we're going to twist this back around these 2 pinch twists, and so it comes out the middle. roll it underneath that pinch twist. Whoops, we lost a pinch twist. That's okay. We're going to just make another one with the brown instead. So just make a small bubble, pinch twist it, and then your broomstick's going to be coming out the top, okay? And you could leave it all the way inflated like this. For this broom, we actually are going to leave it all the way inflated, but we're going to give it some character by kind of twisting it and bending it, so it's not just a straight stick. There's our broom. So, if you like this design, make sure you click that thumbs up button. If you haven't done already, click that subscribe button right there. And the bell down below so you get notified when I put up a new video. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!